How to get $100 off Hard Rock Cafe promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Hard Rock promo codes and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Hard Rock Cafe. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm gonna open this one for Kid News. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Hard Rock Cafe. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, $20 off, 80% off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on Get Deal. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can head towards the website of Hard Rock Cafe, log into your account, and use the code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Hard Rock Cafe. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Hard Rock Cafe. So this way you can easily get up to $100 off Hard Rock Cafe promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.